Hi, so I am Arindam, and this is my submission for the asset platform problem statement for Cult Open projects. So first, let's explore the code base. So the code base is based on Next.js. So it's a serverless system with Neon Postgres as the database and Drizzle as the ORM. Okay, and for authentication, I have used Nextbot, and I have used UI elements from ShardCN and Asternity, and it's hosted on Vercel basically. So this is the project structure, and so let me show you the basic CRUD operations of my program. And let's first see the mandatory things that were there in the app. So I'll just log in first through the admin portal so that we could see how the inventory management and things are going on. So the credentials are mentioned in the README if you want to try it out. So I'll just sign in. Yeah, so here you could add assets, add a new asset. Maybe it would be like mic stand, you could say. Category would be performing arts, available, description for mic stand. So you can create assets over here. So it would be added over here, as you could see, it's added. And as I didn't put the, like, you could also put this stock, I didn't pay attention. The total quantities over here. I just let it be on the default case, that is 1. Okay. So now let's talk about the approvals and things right there. So I'll just log in with a general user profile. You can log in with Google, or you can make a new account manually out here. I'll just log in with Google. So this is Google Watch 2.2 at the background, working at the background. So from here, I can put a request for maybe you could say a mic stand. Okay. So let it be from 17 June to 17 July, the end date when I have written that. Okay. Let's submit that. So yeah, I have requested the mic stand. As you can see, the stock went to 0 as it is. The approval is pending till now. So now I can go to the admin portal and then either approve or reject the request. So look, this is my request and I'll just approve it. Okay. So it would mark out here when I reload the window. Yeah, so it has been approved over here, and I also get a notification that the booking is approved. Okay, so these were the basic functionalities of your that you specified in your problem statement. Now let's go into the optional features which I have implemented. So let's first talk about the notification system, which I have already like brought to notice here. So whenever a booking is approved or rejected, the user will get a notification. Also, there are many cases, upcoming return deadlines, overdue assets. For all these, the notifications would be delivered. Sure. So you can mark it as read from here. Other than that, there are audit logs. So audit logs are also there. This is also implemented. When you see the admin portal, you could also see the QR code for each and every stock right here. You could print this too and stick it onto the device itself so that you could scan it and see that how much deadline is left and stuff like that. And then comes asset health tracking. So that is also out here. So yeah, asset health. You could like update the condition, fair, excellent, poor, damaged, anything, right? And save the health data out here. And yes, the deployment is completely Dockerized. I could show it out here. So this is the Docker compose.yaml, and talking about the Docker file for this program, it's over here. Yeah. So this is the Docker file for the program, but using Docker over here doesn't make that much sense because there's only the front end and the back end like on one stack only, Next.js, and it's a serverless setup with Neon working as the serverless database, and Next.js is handling both client side and server side code. So Docker was not needed here, but I did implement it. So thank you.